Hello guys, we are here sa Manam Cafe. Full na full. Grabe. Masarap siguro yung food rito kasi full siya. Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Kami gutom na guys. Gutom na raw ito. Gutom na. Ako rin ay gutom na. Hindi na namin kayang lumakad.
Super.
Ang asawa kong gwapo. Iuwi mo ako, baby. Ayan guys, ang aming yan lang. Sinigang at sipako. Panay anchat oh. Come. Yeah, let's go. Tuwan-tuwa kay Jollibee. Tuwan-tuwa kay Jollibee. Oli ka na, let's go na. Get inside. Let's go inside.
Bye-bye,
Jabili. Jabili. Halika na. Bye-bye, Jabili. Bye-bye, Jabili.
Ganito lang po yung orders po nila, ma'am, for dining. Dalawang order po ng chicken joint burger steak, Sprite po yung drinks. 1 piece burger steak with regular fries, royal po yung drink. 1 piece chicken joint regular fries, coke po yung drink, and then 1 piece chicken joint burger steak, royal po yung drink. Ano yung additional po, ma'am?
Yeah, meron ka bang pineapple?
Meron po.
Okay, isang pineapple at saka isang coffee blend. Please, itong ice mocha.
Regular lang po.
Oo,
Pati
regular.
po yung pineapple juice po, regular lang po.
Customer number 5, please proceed to the claiming area.
Wala bang
Customer
wala
number
bang
5, please proceed to the claiming area.
laruan? Laruan?
Customer number 5, please proceed to the claiming area.
855
Customer number 5, please proceed to the claiming area.
Napaka-kiri ba?
Alam mo kami, hindi pwede.
At ayan na nga guys, ang aming order. Ayan. At syempre, ang apo ko. At ang isa ko pang apo. Say hello to my vlog. Say hello to my vlog. Please. Say hello to my vlog.
guys. Dali.
Customer
wala.
number 30.
Hello,
Please
guys.
proceed to the claiming area.
Hello, guys.
Kami, kumakain kami guys.
Sabi niya, hello, guys. Sabi mo, hello, guys. Magko-collab tayo, ah. Next time, ah. Masarap po. Oh. Masarap daw ang Jollibee.